Meaning of field of vision.
Field of vision.
Field of vision.
Field of vision.
Field of vision. The field of vision refers to the extent of the observable world that an individual can see at any given moment. It includes everything that is within the range of one's eyesight and encompasses both the central and peripheral vision. The size of one's field of vision can vary depending on factors such as age, health, and environmental conditions. Having a wide field of vision allows for greater visual awareness and can be particularly important in activities like driving, sports, and even everyday tasks such as reading and walking.